Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? So, welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can make money by simply watching videos or playing games. You can also take surveys on this website. So, without wasting much of our time, let's just dive right into the video. I'll be opening my Chrome browser. So, mind you, you're welcome. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're new to our channel, please do what to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you. All we do on this channel is review website that enables you to make money online, increase your financial life, and also review gadgets that can make making money online very easy for you. So, let's go straight into the video. So this particular website, you earn money every time you go online. That is what they say. It means every time you come on their website to do any task, you earn money. So now you earn money in form of GPT points. Those GPT points are now converted to cash. Here it says earn GPT point for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and many more. In the past few months, I've actually reviewed websites that will enable you to watch videos, but most of them do not enable you to watch videos, do surveys, and also play game at the same time. But this particular website does a lot for you. You can play games on it, you can watch videos, and even you can, take offers, download apps and all of that. So you easily attain your points on this particular website. So as you can see, it says get paid for your opinion. It means survey. Please, let's be guided. So this is our first recharge card, our first MTN recharge card. It is just something for your data. If you do not get this one now, don't worry, in the next video you will get. And please, once you recharge, indicate in the comment section that you got it. Thank you. I won't advise you to put down your full details, like your confidential details, on their website, because they have a lot. After all, it is a survey, so it is whatever they ask you. It is not compulsory for you to even answer whatever they ask you. Anyone you don't want to answer, you just skip it. You understand? So you have surveys that you can answer here. It says end by playing games. You can also play games and win points, maybe by winning or by going from one stage to another. You earn your point. Quick points. Quick points are points that are being given to you for easy tasks. Maybe like downloading an app, visiting a website, checking out something online. Offer walls are also ways that you can make money on this particular website. Now it says, how does it work? Do tasks, fill in surveys, watch video, play games, and many more. Then you earn points. The points are actually rewarded to you. Like, the points are your reward for doing all of this. Now their points are actually 5,000 points to $1. So anytime you accumulate 5,000 points, you will get paid $1. So definitely you are getting rewarded for your time. At least it's better than solving the net without earning anything online. It says get paid. Redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. So now, a lot of you do not know that you can redeem this cash. Your means of payment here are either through cryptocurrency or gift card. If you're opting for cryptocurrency, I will advise you go for I think Binance, or like, is it Remito? I think Binance. So if you are not going for that, you can, if I think it's even having issues now, I don't know, I'm not sure. But if you're not going for that, you can opt in for their gift cards. I think the Amazon gift card and a lot of other gift cards that you can actually exchange for the cash. Then you can look for a good gift card vendor online. There are a lot on Instagram, but I know that you should be able to detect the good ones on Instagram, using their followers, their reviews, their location check, and their registered business name. You understand? So you'll be able to find the legit ones online. It says fun online games. Playing games on Get Paid To is an easy way to earn money online and get paid for your time with a wide selection of games. Now, if you are the game type, if you are the gaming type that all your phones you have it filled with games, I would advise you just come on this website and start playing games. They have games like Sudoku, crossword, word search, pool, jigsaw, arcade games, and more. So definitely you cannot get bored on this particular website. Play to earn GPT point, watch your earnings grow, and then choose to cash them out or exchange for a gift card at one of your favorite stores. So if you're not in Nigeria, if you're in the UK, it's even easier because they have a lot of gift card stores in the UK that you can go and redeem your gift card. Particular website is made for different types of people, for different folks. You understand? These are their high paying surveys as well. So this is our second recharge card. If you know of someone in need of data or recharge card, you can share this video with them so they will watch and drop their phone numbers and line in the next video, or watch and see if they can have the opportunity to recharge more on this video. Now, please, if you have recharged this data or this card, please indicate it in the comment section that you recharged it. Thank you. Quick points are just you watching videos. Now this is where the deal comes in. This is where you watch video. From watching music videos, adverts, thrillers, to filling in captures, there's a wealth of money earning opportunities here, and you don't even have to invest too much of your time. So all these are videos that you can watch. They put in ads as well. Are wondering that how do they make this money. When you watch the video, you will know that they make this money by placing ads in the videos you watch. So once you watch the videos, they make their own money and they pay you in return. Now, I love Honey Game. So if you're an OG on this particular channel, you know that we did a review on Honey Game. Honey Game is actually a website that helps you to save more money from your extra data. You understand? Some of you will recharge and you won't even know how your data went off. Wow, I don't have data again. Oh. So you won't even know. But only again, all those extra data that are eaten by background apps and all of that, only again takes it and converts it to cash for you. Although it takes a very long time before you can get reasonable amount, but then again, is what it is worth than wasting your data up and down. Congratulations, I'll be dropping a small recharge card here. It will be an MTN recharge card. So if you are the first to load it, please do well to say thank you in the comment section. It is not much, but then again, it is for your data. So do well to say I recharged it. Thank you in the comment section. If you didn't get in this particular video, please calm down. You will get in the next video. And you can also drop your contact details under this video so that whenever I'm making the next video, I can decide to recharge for some people. But I will do the selection randomly. You understand? So let's just go. So all you have to do now is to go straight up here, come up here, click on join for free. So once you click on this join for free, okay, it's loading. Okay, now the payment method, I said it, the payment method is either through gift card or through Binance cryptocurrency. So but I would advise you opt in for the gift card, which you can easily sell anytime, any day. So now these are the details you need to fill in and just click on sign up. Then you get email in your inbox and verify the email. You have your username, your password, your email, you confirm your email address, you have your first name, your last name, your date of birth, you have your country. when you go down, scroll down through this country, you see that there are a lot of countries here. So if you are from Nigeria, you have Nigeria down here. It's very easy. If you are from the US, you have US down here. United States, you have United States. If you're from the UK, you have United Kingdom. If you're from Kenya, you have Kenya somewhere around here. KKK. Just go straight to the first alphabet of your country. You have Kenya. If you're from Jamaica, you have Jamaica. So let's just click on Nigeria because I am from Nigeria right now. So Nigeria, okay, this is Nigeria. The next thing here is you input your state or your city in Nigeria, in the US, wherever you are. Then you input your zip code or your postcode. Now if you don't know your postcode, just open another tab on your Chrome browser and type in your country's postcode. You can type it in like Nigeria postcode or Nigeria zip code or US zip code, and then you copy the numbers and you paste it here, and then you agree and you hit on this. Don't miss out latest earning opportunities. You click on yes please, and you type in I am not a robot, and you click on complete registration. It is getting too lengthy and I'll have to end this video for the day. Please let us know if you signed up on the website. Let us know what you think about it and how the website is. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.